All right, everybody, welcome back to day 3. We're talking about what content actually converts today. If you're new here, my name is Katy. I am also known as your Mad Money Mama. I'm a full-time teacher, a solo mama, and a digital marketing mentor. I built a business from my phone during my lunch break. I did not want to have to sub during the summer. I didn't want to have to teach summer school. I didn't want to have to do all these things that were just taking me away from my family. So I found a way to start a business online and to run and build that business from my phone during Taekwondo practice, from the parking lot, wherever it is that I am, and I have 5 minutes of free time, maybe 10, if I'm lucky 30, that's when I spend 2 hours a day running this business. Now I'm helping other people, mamas, teachers like me, do the same thing. Build a business that is going to help them, sustain them, and also grow them in ways they couldn't even imagine. Let's make passive income make sense, because it's passive income that we are able to earn when we invest in ourselves and we learn new skills and we apply them and we show up consistently every single day. Let's get to it. So content that works. When we are creating content, it's so important that we are creating content that actually makes people, number one, feel seen. If someone does not feel seen, if they watch your video or they read what you posted or this thing that you wrote and created and they don't see themselves in it, they're going to just keep scrolling. You don't have to be viral. You just need to be valuable. And you've got to be speaking to, number two, one person. When we talk to everybody out there, the systems that we use to get our message out, those systems will be confused. They will not put our stuff in front of the right people. And that makes it even more frustrating and confusing, because when the right people aren't seeing our content and the right people aren't seeing our offer, the right people aren't having the opportunity or given the opportunity to decide for themselves whether or not this is a good fit. When they don't see you, you won't see them. And number 3, content that works is going to show people what's possible. 2 hours a day from your phone, consistent effort daily, be coachable, consistent, committed, and you too can have success in your online business. You too can be a successful digital marketer, right? What does that look like? Everyone's why is a little bit different. Sometimes people's why is just, I'm going to teach you how to hone your message, how to learn a new skill, how to reach your perfect customer. I'm going to show you how to have $100 days, $900 days. I'm going to show you how to, when we show people what's possible, the rest of the work just follows naturally. And the last is typo. We don't have to be fancy. We need to be honest. So just ignore that number 4, because it shows what's possible twice. Sorry. You just need to be honest. My first lead came from a post that wasn't fancy. It was from me being honest, because I was learning at the time what I was doing. And that spoke to the right person. They wanted to learn more. And 1 lead turns into 2 leads, turns into 3 leads, turns into your first sale. And when you have your first sale, that feeling is unlike anything else. So when we create content that works, people feel seen, they feel spoken to, they know what's possible, and it's not super fancy, just honest, everything changes. Value and clarity and relatability, all of those things help other people feel safe enough to take that next step. So if you've been spinning your wheels on content, I'm going to help you learn how to make it make sense. Pro tip: connection over performance every single time. That means in your content, you should be working on connecting with people as opposed to performing for people, because a performance isn't going to help people feel seen, heard, understood. And when you are able to connect with people, make genuine connections, that is going to help you be successful, but it's also going to help them to be more successful every single time. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to go on to day 4. It's not all about followers, it's about freedom.